My name is Ben Collins. I'm the farm manager here at Atwood Family Farms in Eustis, Florida. Right now I'm standing in one of our Sweet Crisp blocks. We've got two varieties here, Sweet Crisp and Prima Donna, but these are one of our favorites, a lower yielding variety, but definitely a very high fruit quality with a firmer fruit than most varieties. We've still got 2 to 3 weeks until we're going to have our first blue fruit here, which will be the end of March and be going into the end of April. We've been growing these for this year for a couple months now. We brought them out of dormancy at the end of December, and they've been putting on a whole new crop of leaves, a whole new crop of flowers, which have now turned into fruit, thanks to both the honeybees and bumblebees that we use.